Cougs! I hope everyone had a great weekend. I'm your host Maddie, welcoming you back for another episode of In the Loop. Now let's see what events we have in store for us this week. The School of Art and the Arts and Technology Center is pleased to announce UH Design Week. This week-long event showcases independent media and celebrates artistic expression. Planned activities include exhibitions, a reading room, workshops, artist talks, and the exciting unveiling of a brand new Zynomatic vending machine. UH Design Week kicks off today and runs through Friday, October 20th. For more information about Zyne, check out the link in the description. Experience an enlightening art history discussion during the University of Houston School of Art Speaker Series this Tuesday from 2:30 to 4:30 p.m. at the Dudley Recital Hall. The School of Art Speaker Series invites visiting artists to share their journeys, insights, and work with students and community members alike. Distinguished speakers offer a range of perspectives on the most pertinent issues facing today's makers and scholars. This week's speaker is Dr. Joan Key from the University of Michigan, presenting a lecture titled The Geometries of Afro-Asia. No RSVP is required for this free event. For more info about the speaker series, visit the link in the description. UH Wellness hosts mental health first aid training this Wednesday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Student Center South Astrodome Room. This training aims to teach people how to identify, understand, and respond to signs and symptoms of mental health or substance use challenges. Mental Health First Aid is a public education program that introduces participants to risk factors and warning signs of mental illnesses, builds understanding of their impact, and overviews common supports. To RSVP, click the link in the description. Thursdays are for relaxation. Grab a friend and head over to the Student Center South Astrodome Room this Thursday from 11 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. for aromatherapy, massage machines, air hammocks, coloring, and more, hosted by UH Wellness. This event is sure to put you in a relaxed mood. Learn more using the link in the description. Are your finances out of control? Now is the time to get them in order, and when it comes to your finances, Voya can help. Learn 6 things you can do to clean up your finances and create an action plan to tackle your goals this Thursday from noon to 1 p.m. at the HR Training Room, Building 525. To sign up, click the link in the description. Reminders! Your last chance to enter the 2023 Cougs Crips contest is this Tuesday, October 17th. Be sure to follow Student Housing and Residential Life at UH_housing to stay up to date on all things housing at the University of Houston. Now it's time for our weekly wellness tip. Don't be afraid to communicate openly. Express your thoughts, feelings, and concerns with trusted individuals. Talking about your challenges and seeking advice can provide clarity, validation, and support. That's all for this week, Cougs. I'll be back to keep you in the loop. Until next time, bye!